Another data sheet that I want you to, this will be your next data sheet called amp degree. And so this, you'll create a new sheet called amp degree, and these are the column headings. And in the very first column, you'll just put this data there. These 5 rows with comma separators. And I'll show you another way of how you can divide this data into 3 different columns. In case you ever receive a comma delimited data. Just like 5-second stuff. We're getting very close to the pivot tables. Okay, you will only fill the first row. Sarah, 22 BS. Okay, you only fill the first row. Then you go underneath the Sarah and you use the keyboard shortcut. I'll write in the chat, Control E. Okay. And it automatically fills all the others. And you will repeat the same for age and the degree. You got to repeat it for each column.